Hey guys, it's Julia and welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. Oh, also excuse my stubby nails. You see here, I got them done like 3 weeks ago, gel nails, and I've been too lazy to take them off, so they've grown quite a bit, and I'm in cheer, so I needed to cut my nails down. So I cut my nails down, but I didn't take off the nail polish, so they look really stubby right now. Anyways, because Halloween is coming up soon, I decided I want to film some looks. I don't know how many looks I will get to, but I promise you I will try to do a few. If you guys don't know who NikkieTutorials is, you should. She's amazing, she's beautiful. This year she is doing something she calls Halloween, where she does a look every single day, which is awesome, like props to her. But for her third day, she did this masked makeup look, which I thought was so cool, so I really wanted to try to do it. Yes, this is not an original idea. I just really loved the way it turned out on her that I really wanted to try it. So that's what I'm gonna do today. That was really gross. Anyways, without further ado, let's get on with the video, and don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and also comment any video suggestions and also give this video a thumbs up, you know, all the things. Looking like a boy now, we love that. So I think I'm gonna go with this side, and I'm just gonna go straight into it. I'm gonna start by outlining. Okay, I'm currently editing this video. Looking really cute right now. Anyways, apparently 2 of the files of my recordings are corrupted and won't download. So I'm missing footage. I love that for me. How I started off is I basically outlined my face in a brown eyeshadow, and then I went over that with foundation. It was just like a BB cream. Then I powdered it like normal, and then I did my eyebrows, and then I did concealer. And then I went in with the eyes, and I used a lot of the Dare to Create palette, the Morphe 35B, and then some of the Lunar Beauty Life's a Drag palette. And so that's where we are right now. The world is testing me. Okay, now that I kind of have that done, I'm going to carve out my lid with concealer, and then we're gonna pack blue eyeshadow on there. But now I'm gonna kind of work on the under eye, which is basically the same as this top. We're gonna go in with the Morphe M432, which is a flat brush, and with that dark plum purple that we did before, we're gonna like tight line sort of under our eyes. Oh man, this is taking me forever. There's so much blending involved. You know what? We're out here just trying our best, and that's really all that matters. I'm gonna go in with a blue shadow. I'm mixing a blue from the Dare to Create and the 35B. Okay, now that the blue is on, we're gonna go back in with the purple to just really blend that outer edge. All right, we're gonna take this like tealy color. It's a matte shade from the 35B and put that on our inner corner. You know what? I'm kind of living. Okay, we are going to highlight this brow bone. I'm gonna take Champagne Pop. Okay, so now that that is finally done, that literally took me forever. Now I can actually talk more because I was really concentrated on that eye, like really concentrated, and I'll probably go back and try to fix more of it later. But let's just move on to the rest of the face. So I'm gonna take the Benefit Hoola Bronzer on this crown brush that I got in an Ipsy bag and contour. I'm gonna contour normally, so like outside the mask, just so I get it how I normally have it. I'm also gonna go a little bit heavier because it is a mask, so I want it to kind of be like all out there. You know what I'm saying? And now I'm going to go in with the Feisty blush by Tarte. Okay, I'm gonna blend that out. And I'm also going to highlight, and Nikki had hers look like plasticky, so I'm gonna attempt to do that. Hopefully I don't ruin my entire face. Look at that nose highlight. Dang, girl. Really going for it today. And now I'm going to try to erase the other part of my face. Man, this is wild. Okay, I will be back. I'm going to go put on some lashes and then we're gonna go back in and shade it and just work on making it look like a mask. And again, this is where I lost footage. I lost a huge chunk of footage. I lost me outlining my face, shading in the mask part, and also applying the white paint to my face to make it look like plastic. So I missed like a really giant section, so you're gonna see a huge leap from where I ended to where it is now. But yeah, basically I just took some eyeshadow, brown eyeshadows, and outlined and shaded my face. And I also took some like crappy white Halloween paint to try to make it look like plastic. Didn't do the best job, but like it's fine. I tried to copy the way that Nikki had hers, so still upset that the freaking footage is lost. I hope this isn't an epic fail. Oh my gosh. Now I'm gonna highlight more just to try to make it look more plasticky. Okay, now that all the white is pretty much done, I'm gonna go back in again and try to do more shadow, especially along this nose. Boy, this is taking me forever. All right, everyone, well, I tried. It's okay to me. I don't think I really achieved the plasticky look. I don't know how she did that. Like, I tried to copy all of the ways she did the white, but it just, to me, like, I'm not seeing it. I don't know, maybe if I like take a picture later, I will see it, but like I'm not seeing it right now. I feel like this part of the eye kind of looks like it, like the highlight there is good. I really like the way that the eye turned out, but other than that, it took me forever. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of proud of the way it turns out, but at the same time, it's definitely not the best. I still don't know how she made it look plasticky. I don't know. Props to Nikki, like she's amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I'm sorry I didn't talk that much. I was just really concentrated because I wanted to make it look as good as I possibly could. I really do appreciate you clicking on this video, and if you did click on this video, if you're watching this, then please give it a big thumbs up for me and hit that red subscribe button if you have not already. Anyways, I hope you guys had a wonderful day or are going to have a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
My heart